What's up everybody, welcome back to Make More, my name is Kasper. So today we are gonna take a look at an electric skateboard, because why not? Yeah. So what's in the box? In the box you will get the charger for the skateboard, you will get a small light, okay, you will get a small light, you will get the remote control for the skateboard, and you will get some tools to fix the trunks, I think it's called. So yeah, that's it. Let's go outside and have a look. So I'm a little bit sorry if it's a little bit windy and then the sound is a little bit weird, but I forgot to take my extra microphone on. So yeah. So the electric skateboard, yeah, it's freaking awesome. So this is just my opinion on it. This is mine. It is the spiderboard. You have to look up the rules for your country, for the laws and stuff like that, for if it's legal to go on in the streets and stuff like that. But in Denmark, it's a little bit weird right now. But I think it's awesome. So let's just end it here, and I'm going home. Oh yeah, I need my camera, and home is the other way, so bye bye!